Good. How are you?
Doing good, thank you. Seatbelts, everybody. If you need a massage or if you don't, this is where you choose what you want. All right? Yeah, seriously. So driver and passenger, we have standard heated seats and ventilated seats. Then we can add that lumbar massage. You in the second row, you have heated seats. And the second row is actually a bench. So we just did an upgrade here, but it will be a standard 7-seater.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so this is the all-wheel drive. So we're getting 335 horsepower, 413 for torque, 0 to 60 in 6 seconds, and off we go.
Oh, wow. Let's go. Ooh.
Has a nice pickup.
Oh, yeah. You can merge with this thing.
Yeah.
So the bench is standard. Do you have to pay to not have the bench?
Correct.
So the captains.
$695. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's not bad then.
And then same with the panoramic roof. I believe it's $1,200. I don't have my iPad here, but I believe it's $1,200 to add the panoramic roof. However, the roof is so cool because it goes all the way to the back.
I was gonna say it probably would be really nice
It's
in
so
this car.
And it's electrochromatic glass, so it turns opaque when you want to close it.
Yeah, it
and it also blocks that sun from coming in and the heat.
That's really cool.
Yeah, so it's really cool. We are already on sale, so starting at $59, we top off at $70. The range, you know, it's decent, so 235 miles on a full charge.
Wow.
It takes about 26 minutes though to charge on a super fast charge.
Okay, yeah.
Really pretty nice. There's over like 30 colors for ambient lighting.
Yeah, I see. It's like
it's
the lighting up
rated.
front.
It's super cool. So much space. There's so much storage. There's USB-C ports all across, including in the trunk area. And the third row has more like room than the second row, which is insane.